All right, numeric response number 5. Okay, I hope that you're recognizing these questions from Math 20, and that you're seeing that we've got a far more efficient way of dealing with this. So dairy farmer plans to fence in a rectangular pasture adjacent to a river. Okay, so this is just that section right here. You know, you got your river here, and so it's going to be this rectangular area, X, Y. So remember the 1,200 meters of fencing here. Okay, that 1,200 meters, that becomes the perimeter. But I'm not using the perimeter of the entire rectangular area here. I'm just getting that 2x's plus y is equal to 1,200 meters of fencing. Okay, that's the only part of the perimeter that requires fence. Now, you should probably know from experience with this that at some point I'm going to have to do a substitution because I'm looking for the maximum area, okay, which means I'm going to be taking the derivative of my area function, which probably means I'm going to need to substitute some information from here. And you know what? I'm lazy, so lazy, so I'm going to solve for y. Doesn't really matter. I could have solved for x, but why would I do that? So I'm going to solve for y. And then I'm going to look at my area function here, and that's going to be x times y, but I know that x can be replaced with negative 2x plus 1,200. And so now we've got area in terms of just a single variable. So negative 2x squared plus 1,200x. And there are other ways I could verify this, but the question is asking for a maximum area, and just as this has happened before, this function here is a parabola that opens down, so I know that the vertex will in fact be a maximum here. So that's the expression I want, so now I'm going to take the derivative, negative 4x plus 1,200. We're looking for critical numbers, so I'm going to set that equal to 0. It's not undefined anywhere, and the domain is all real values, although not everything makes sense here. So then I'm going to solve for that, so 1,200 is equal to 4x, and so quick division there, x is equal to 300. Okay. Now, if x is equal to 300, now just think about this. If x is 300, that means this is 300. So together, the lateral sides here, we're drawing here amount to 600 meters, which means the top part here has got to be 600 as well. So y is 600 meters. Now that doesn't exactly answer the question here, because the question was asking for what is that maximum area. So what we got to do here is multiply those two together, okay? 300 times 600, and we are getting 180,000 meters squared. And there you go. That's the answer.